said kanina there's 8 songs on the album, diba? Kai, do you have a favorite song na from the 8 songs?
Actually, I heard his songs prior to it being released. So I did
Special.
Ganon.
Special hearing, special recording.
Exclusive listening.
Oo.
So I did have a favorite already. And it was Pardon My Pace and Make It Make Sense.
She really meant make it make sense, but she's like, shoot, Jeremy's here.
No, I know. You know, pardon my face.
It's okay.
And pardon my face.
No, it's okay.
No, it's okay.
No, I like Make It Make Sense because Jarren's voice goes low. How's it go?
Exactly.
Go, sample.
Go nga!
Dalawa.
No. Calling on my phone when I answer, I'm just left and right, make it make sense.
When I was singing, I was like,
Pwede siya maging duet. Did you hear Kai started singing it?
Oh.
Feeling ko kaya niyo dalawa. Konting sample lang.
pwede pa sample ng
Konti lang.
Oo, yan.
Do the sige.
Calling on my phone when I answer, I'm just left and right, make it make sense. Ako lang ba? Pero parang may spark.
Yeah.
Ako lang ba?